Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error 1603, then let's look at the following solutions. So the first solution would be is to clean the files and folders in the temporary folder. So what we can do is we can look for disk cleanup here. Yes, okay. And here we can check all the boxes. There you go. And click OK. Do you want to permanently delete these files? Yes. And once this is done, it should fix the error. If this doesn't work, then we have to disable the antivirus. So if you're using a third-party antivirus, you have to open up the third-party antivirus and then disable it from there. I will show you using the stock antivirus, which I'm using. That is the pre-installed antivirus when I install Windows. So I will look for virus and threat protection, and I will look for virus and threat protection settings, manage settings. Here I will turn real-time protection off. But as a word of caution, I would always advise you, this is the last ditch resort uh, for something like this. I mean, once you're able to correct the issue, then please turn it on again, because any virus or malware can enter your system if this is turned off, and it can create a lot of trouble for you and the system. Now, the other solution is to free up storage space. So if you have, say, uh, say looking at my C drive, I have 317 GB in 377 GB. So I can free up, if there was say 372 GB out of 377. So I had to free up a little space there. I would delete some files or any videos which I did not want. All right. So last solution is to uninstall the conflicting apps. So how I will do that is I will right click on start button, look for settings, apps, and here I will click on installed apps. Now I will arrange them and the date installed, sort by date installed. So now we have to uninstall those applications which were created on the day or after the day the error started showing. So if the error started showing, say, on the 22nd of August here, so I would then uninstall one by one all the programs after the 22nd of August. So I would first delete this, then I would look if the error occurs again, then I would delete this and this and this up till the 22nd, and then that should resolve the problem. I hope this video helped you. If then, please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.